What's up, everybody? My name's JD, and this is the basics of paranormal investigation. So today I want to talk about, today is going to be the last day that I'm doing one of these before the investigation videos. Then I'm going to start doing videos about the different tools that we use as paranormal investigators. So, today I want to talk about spiritual protection. Why should you worry about spiritual protection? Because it can cause relationship issues, it can cause health issues, it can be very bad for your life, it can have a lasting, very awful effect on your life if you do not protect yourself against spirits. When you deal with spirits, you want to deal with them with respect. I always say treat them as if they were a person. So if you would respect a person, treat them with respect. Also, if you have a religion, always keep a prayer or a common belief of your religion with you. This will be helpful at all times and be very helpful in getting through a spirit possession. A different company that I recommend having of some type in your plethora or your toolbox is having a herbal essence or a medicine shop or something of that nature, something that has holy water, has blessed items, has sage, has like the crystals, have something like that, because they are going to be very helpful in protecting yourself against bad spirits. My local shop is Enchanted Times, which is in Hornell. Another good thing to have on you, if possible, is a blessed item. So blessed items are not always good to have with you when you're going into a place that you think or other people have said is demonic or haunted by a demonic spirit. Otherwise, I recommend having this with you. And even when you go to a place that has demons, you should have it somewhere outside of the location with you. Because blessed items are going to basically cleanse you like sage. Sage will cleanse you. Holy water will protect you. So holy water and sage are very similar in that they can cleanse and keep things away. Spiritual protection is very important when you are doing paranormal investigations. This is the last video I'm going to do about pre-investigation, what you need to do in order to get ready for an investigation. Now we are going to look at tools. So next week I'm going to have a new type of video, whether it be in the field videos or whether it be breakdown of other investigations. So, see you next week.